Hey, let me show you a quick unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. So first, a small overview of the box. On the left side you can find the name of the device. On the right side some kind of the sticker. Right here we can find a serial number, the color of the device, and it will be all. At the bottom you can find two seals. I already take them off because I was actually testing them on the gym. But let's go inside. And as you can see, here we can find our earbuds, and that's how it looks. This is actually the glossy part, so probably it will catch a lot of scratches. Right here at the top we can find Samsung logo. There's the LED indicator. At the bottom we can find USB-C port with the pairing button, and also some kind of the information, probably the device model, the serial number. And now when we open it, the indicator lights up. Right here we can find the different color for the left and the right earbud. And now when you take them off, also you can find these colors right here at the bottom. So this is actually how we can recognize the right and the left earbud. Now when you take a look from this side, we can actually find the microphones right here and right here. There is the proximity sensor. At the top we can find another microphones, and that's how it looks. Right here we can find the LD. Now let's take a look on the box. Well, that's basically all. Now we can try to check for some accessories. So we got quick start guide, warranty card, and also we can find here the cable. This is actually the charging cable, and there's the USB-C. Inside we can find additional ear tips, and the second end of the cable is also USB-C. And I believe that's everything. Yeah, so this is it, all accessories. That's how the device looks. And if you are looking for some tutorials about these headphones, you can actually find a lot of them on my channel, so I can highly recommend you to enter for my channel and search for the phrases that you are looking for. So right now, please subscribe.